Hi, this is Keshav Dhanraj.
Hi, this is Sanam Puri.
I am Samarpuri.
Hey, I'm Becky S.
And we are Sanam. And you're watching UrbanAsian.com. मैं जो हूँ मैं वो हूँ तेरे बगैर कुछ नहीं हूँ गुमशुदा हूँ खो गया हूँ सब मिट गया जो भी था लिखा छूना तुझे चाहूं मैं अगर छू ना सकूं तू जो गई यूं छोड़कर है खिंची जो लकीरें दोनों में बार बार गर्दिश में है खड़ा इंतजार है यही मेरी ख्वाहिशें आऊं तेरी वहाँ मिलती खुशी मगर होती जो तू यहाँ So the melody was made about 4 to 5 years ago और ये गाने पे एक्चुअली बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहे थे ब्रेक्स में काम कर रहे थे और फिर इसमें मेलोडी को लेके गए सिद्धांत कौशल जो हमारे लिरिसिस्ट हैं उन्होंने फिर इस पे लिरिक्स लिखे इसके ऊपर और बस उसके ऊपर फिर हमने धीरे धीरे म्यूज़िक डालना शुरू करा फिर
We made like many versions of this song. So finally हमने ये लॉक किया जो भी सुनाई दे रहे हैं and it took us few like years to lock on this one.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We were crying so nothing funny.
Yeah, the funny thing
That
is,
was funny.
I think the funniest thing about the shoot was, सब normal है. Suddenly video जब shoot हो रहा है, suddenly एकदम सब zone में आते हैं रोने वाले. And suddenly we're all normal. Like I find that really funny. Yeah.
Camera आगे oh अच्छा.
Yeah. It's unreal, but you have to make it look real. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
that's what acting
We
is.
tried.
You'll have to cry the moment the shot is over. Suddenly everybody's laughing and you're like, oh, then suddenly next take and then
Yeah.
cry again.
The video,
Video director
yeah.
Dhruval Patel. Is that his name?
yeah.
Dhruval,
Yeah.
that's his guy.
So
Dhruval,
there
he
was
has
a team from
Mumbai.
Ahmedabad
Yeah.
that had come to us and they were like, so they came with a concept. And so initially we were quite happy with the concept, but then once things started moving forward, like we weren't so sure about it. And even after it was shot, there was a lot that hadn't been done correctly. So we were very, we took a lot of time to actually get all those small elements fixed. And that we did on our own after that, after we took the footage from
Yeah,
them.
the video took like a lot of time.
7 months.
Yeah,
Seven
no,
or
more
8
than 7
months.
months. Yeah.
December,
Yeah, about 10 months.
About 10 months
Yeah.
after the video was shot, we took that much time to actually fix it and make it something that
Because we weren't understanding how to fix the video, but we somehow
So from
fixed
audio
it.
to video everything took time.
time.
Took time. Yeah.
It was I think in 2013 or 14.
Yeah, when we released
uh,
Main Hoon,
Yeah.
that was the first time. Yeah.
So at that point we were called XQS Project, and I think we all were feeling like it wasn't an appropriate band name because it didn't really have any musical connect. And our manager also was like, he gets like calls that the real estate agency or this XQS Project. It was hard
Sounds
for
like
people to
construction
understand
company, yeah.
what is the why is it called XQS Project and why does it not sound musical? So I think we all started to think of band names and we were brainstorming around the name Sanam because we really liked the kind of musical connect it had. It had this throwback to songs of yesteryear, and it's a term of endearment, and I think we all are very lovable people. So because of that, I think it sort of works with us as individuals, and also the musical connect. It's sort of universal because it is used in different languages. It's there in Urdu. It's
Thai.
also there in Thailand. It's a different meaning. It doesn't
Yeah, it's
mean
not the same
term.
meaning.
It means coat actually in Thailand. And yeah, it's easy to say the word, and I think a couple of these reasons, and of course
Obviously,
our singer's name
his name is Sanam.
गलती से मेरा नाम भी सनम निकला तो
गलती
So
से.
it's sort of working accident. It's easy as an
And we had tried about 200 to 300 different band names before we settled on this one.
Like Summer.
yeah
Gloomy Fish was a very funny one.
Sanam Electric.
Sanam Electric, yeah. That everybody's hair should have been spiked. You know, like those hammers are. Sanam Electric.
If that's the question, what kind of song? I think any kind of song will attract me if I like it. Could be a happy. It depends on my mood, I guess. Like Aretha Franklin passed away like yesterday, so I've been listening to a lot of gospel, a lot of her songs. It depends on your mood, what you feel like listening every day. Same with the kind of music we put out. We have different kind of songs. Some songs are romantic love songs, some songs are intense, sad songs, some songs are just happy, you know.
Yeah, it's very tough because I like all kind of songs and music, but maybe romantic first because I connect to that first. Maybe that's why.
And for me, you know, any song that gives me goosebumps, and there's again many. It's a very hard question, but like when it comes to listening to music, I hardly do. But when I do, I think I again and again go back to like 80s and 90s and sometimes like really old songs, because that's where I feel like music was pretty real and people kept it as real as possible, and that you can really feel the emotion and the honesty in their music. So that's why I keep going back to the old music. So.
My playlist actually keeps changing, so any song that interests me, I just keep putting it on my playlist, and I listen to it for a while and then I get bored of it, but then again a little later it brings back those memories, so I go back to them. So for me, like anything from like metal to hip hop to pop to reggae to classical music to everything, so it just depends on that particular song, and I don't really follow artists and albums. Summer really likes collecting albums, and I think even Menki, they love collecting albums. So for me, it's like more about the song than the album. We take time.
Suppose it takes 1 hour, then if there are 4 of us, it'll take 4
4
hours.
hours.
Yeah, usually they say to get more people, it takes a load off and you can work faster. No, it actually becomes slower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you got that many people to acknowledge
Yeah.
an idea. And if there's only one person, it's much faster obviously. But the fun working together is a lot more than, being solo. So yeah.
Hot water.
H2O.
H2O.
Oh, I have to raise your hand.
अच्छा
Okay,
like
okay.
that.
अच्छा इसमें ये भी है, कौन पहले देगा आंसर?
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या?
अच्छा ये गंदा है क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे सुनते हैं, फिर एक बार ऐसा लगता है अभी हमने कुछ सुना है, बहुत चीज़ें वो टाइम लगता है. So Venkil win all the time, like he's the fastest. Feb.
It's all month has relatives.
Oh.
Hey, what the hell, man? Okay.
That's a trick question.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
That wasn't silly. That's a trick question. Yeah, nice one though. लता जी. हाँ. अब इसमें कोई ट्रिक नहीं था ना?
सब
हाँ था, because
That's it.
बहुत confusing हो रहा है. ऋषि कपूर.
Yeah.
okay.
Sanam band, I guess.
Sanam band.
Another Mukherjee? No, somebody else. It's another person.
Can you tell us?
We'll Google. Look. There's a reason why there's Google. We can always Google an answer.
Yeah.
Mohammed Rafi. The three of us.
He wins.
He wins.
This one.
Monkey. What?
Monkey.
You're right.
I'm right.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He doesn't know his band.
Michelle Obama.
हाँ, that's
मेरे को कोई ट्रिक नहीं था ना ये क्या हो रहा है ये कभी ट्रिक आता है कभी यार इट्स ऑल्टरनेट यार चेंज हो रहा है कुछ भीगी भीगी सी हाँ
किशोर कुमार।
मेरी भी हाँ किशोर कुमार है आशा भोसले
No?
Is Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata Mangeshkar.
really oh that's confusing actually yeah please turn over yeah
Please turn over.
Even.
तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुमने ना जाने क्या सपने दिखाए अब तो मेरा दिल जागे ना सोता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ मुझ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा नो वेयरिंग द चश्मा अब तो मेरा दिल जागे ना सोता टिप टिप बरसा पानी पानी में आग लगाई दिल दे चुके सनम तेरे हो गए हैं हम तेरी कसम हम दिल दे चुके सनम तेरे हो गए हैं हम तेरी कसम सेकंड सॉन्ग तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी साथ क्या निभाओगे तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी साथ क्या निभाओगे सुबह की पहली गाड़ी से तुम तो चले जाओगे तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी आठ क्या निभाओगे
भीगी भीगी रहता